Hi everybody. I wanted to take a quick second to make sure that everyone was aware that the University of Memphis provides a video conferencing tool called Bluejeans that's free for us to use. So you simply point your browser to memphis.bluejeans.com, and then from there you click on the login button. You insert the credentials that you use for all other tools provided by the university, and then it takes you to this landing page that will show you all of the meetings that you already currently have scheduled. So if you want to delete any of these meetings, you would simply hit the cancel meeting. So let me show you. You can schedule a meeting, you can join a meeting. So if someone sent you an invitation, and here a unique thing called start my meeting, you can start a meeting you can start a meeting instantly. So when you schedule a meeting, very simple, you give it a title, you set the date and the time, and then determine if it's, make sure you have your settings set to Central Time Zone, and if this meeting repeats, then you can click that. Invite your participants. No results when I type that, but when I start to type my name in, bold, and I pop up, simply click on it. And now I can just click and schedule the meeting. So it'll appear here on my my home page or my landing page, and then like you can see upcoming meetings that you have. But one other additional feature that's really nice, that's the email invitation coming in there. That's how quickly that occurs. Start my meeting. So here I can click on copy this URL, go into the signature aspect of my email and copy and paste that link. That's my instant link. So now I can invite anybody, say, hey, yeah, we can jump on a very quick video call. Simply click the Bluejeans link at the bottom of my email. So I used it with a student just tonight and was able to instantly jump into a meeting with her. So you can just come in here at that point. You would click Start My Meeting. If you haven't downloaded this Bluejeans app, which you're not able to see pop up at the bottom, but you do see it loading here. And then you make decisions. Do you want your camera on or off? And of course you have to have your microphone on. You click Join the Meeting and you are there. Now the system's just waiting on someone else to join. You see the number of participants. You can share your screen, and you can record if you would like, and then to leave, you simply click Leave, and voila, there you go. That's all there is to it. So, accessing Bluejeans, give it a try. I'm happy to do a demo, a test with you, if you would like. There you go.